Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is August. Oh, there's a frog. Today is August the 28th. We are out here on our first and only job of the day. This is the house of Courtney, who is the daughter of Mrs. Johnson. Her daughter is moving into this home. We're out here in Buckhead. So we're just going to clean it, guys, put a top coat wear layer on it. We're not doing a screen or recoat. She said, Courtney, we had a lot of work done in the house. There's a lot of construction dust. So we just want to get it professionally cleaned and also and just put, like I said, a protective wear layer. That's Miss Johnson right there. She's just giving me some great feedback about my online presence, my website, my reviews. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, so guys, we're in the Buckhead community. All right, so we'll see what we got going. All right, Miss Johnson, I'll see you when you get back. Huh? Yeah, yes, sir. But you go ahead and break it in, too. All right, guys, so these are the floors. Like she said, they just, the floors are not bad, but it can just use a little TLC. So what we're just gonna do, guys, is just clean them with some neutral cleaner. They don't have any wax buildup on them. And then we're just gonna put down a coat of the wear layer, which is just basically a watered down urethane. So we're not doing any screen or recoat. So it's these floors right here. Over here's a little nice spacious home. Got some quartz countertops. This area right here. This area right here. This room back here. So we're setting up the culture right now. And yeah, guys. And then boom, 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 boom. Then back through here, like a pet stain, and then this area right here. All right, guys, we're going ahead and get started. Close look. Take a close look at this floor. Okay, we got a fan in here drying it out, but you can see the areas that are dry. So let's look from this way. I'm gonna zoom in. All right, look at here. See how clean that floor is now? Now let me go over here and the part I haven't cleaned yet. Look at that. See how you can see all, look at that, guys. All that construction dust and that residue that my client was talking about. So walk from here, come back over here. Totally different floor. And this is what a good professional clean can do for you. Look at that from that angle, guys. Let me zoom out. See that? Huge difference. Floors are nice and clean, not leaving any residue footprints, because we come back after we clean it, come back with our neutral cleaner. All right. Huge difference. See all that? Look at that. Miss Johnson just got back. We are done. Come on in, Miss Johnson.
I can walk on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah.
ooh.
Yes, ma'am.
My daughter's gonna love this. Wow.
Yep.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, looks good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Miss Johnson is happy. I knew she would be happy. Floors look so much better. So we cleaned them, neutralized them. Yep, she said, oh yeah.
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah. Looks good.
Thank you.
Now I have to paint.
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, boy, it's looking good.
I appreciate that. I never say that word. I let the customer say that word. I do tell people we improve them. We improve their appearance. We make them look good. Yeah. But if the client say new, that's on them. Yep. You can actually see now what they look like they remodeled. They did a lace because you can see what some of the boards are different colors now. Yeah.
What is that from?
That's basically they installed new boards. Yeah, they took a wall down or something and they installed new boards and now it's staying, yep. And they try, that's one thing about when you, cause you can see the big difference from these floors to that. So that's a lace in, yeah. So they lace in some new boards, try to stain them to the best of their ability, but,
I wouldn't have even noticed. I
yep.
noticed that.
Yeah, now, yeah, that
Why
pet.
didn't they fix that while they were at it?
Well, yeah, and actually they could have. They just could have pulled those boards out and put new boards in.
Yeah,
Unless it happened after the fact.
Oh.
But either that's a pet stain or either a flower pot or something.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Another happy client. Now me and Tavares, we're going to shoot out. We're going to get some lunch first, and then we're going to go shoot up to Houston to see if we can save another floor. It needs some major color correction. But I got to see if it's a unique stain. So I gotta see if that stain that I ordered will improve that floor for color correction. And then if so, we'll get it on the schedule for next week. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. Another happy client. And then tomorrow, we have a busy day tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a screen and recoat with UV cure, a countertop, and 2 in-home consultations. But the good thing is, everything is in the same area. Our first in-home consultation is in Monroe. Then we have our screen and recoat in Covington. And then after we put the coating down, we have like 2 to 3 hours before UV cure. We're gonna go do a countertop and another in-home consultation in Conyers, which is right next to Covington. And we don't have to come into the city tomorrow. All right, guys, see you in the next one.